Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 7th of March 2024. The day is Thursday. I'm a Dukascopy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh. I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy Bank because I'm not their employee. I'm an independent analyst. Therefore, all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that we are going to discuss here are of my own, and it has nothing to do with the Dukascopy. In some time, we will be strictly discussing the price action, and we kind of will ignore all the fundamentals, as we know that all fundamentals are already priced into the chart. So we'll not talk about anything like news or events. Okay. And also we'll be following the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels for all the pairs that we see. In majority, we will be looking at the Forex majors, and apart from that, we'll be looking at the Bitcoin, Brent crude, and the gold. So like I said, that we'll be trying to find the key levels for all the instruments that we see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in our trading setups. Now I'll be taking the questions from the viewers in between and at the end of the session, so please ask your questions in the chat box that is provided. I'm just 5 seconds away from you. After I speak, my voice reaches you in 5 seconds, so please ask your questions so that we can make this session interactive. Lastly, before I start the session, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or to enhance your knowledge. You have to do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line in the live markets. With that said, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer, because there is a certain amount of risk that is associated with trading foreign exchange on margin. Please pause the video if you are new and understand these 4 risks that are involved in the forex trading, and also you should not take this video or the webinar as trading advice. So you can pause the video here if you want, or otherwise you can hop onto the charts. The first chart, oh I'm sorry, this is not the first chart that we want to see. The dollar index is the first of all that we want to see. Now you might be thinking, oh, why it always happens that whatever Rakesh said that happens? Because this is the power of the market structure. Well, the market structure broke here, then it made a high here and made a low here. Now this high was saved, or sorry, this high was saved. I think this high was saved, but in any case, 104.26 was the resistance. Now it has broken below the support of 103.21. So it happened actually yesterday. Now you are looking for the selling opportunities, and 102.757 is now exposed in the dollar index. If you have any alternative view, or you think that, okay, no Rakesh, this is not bearish, this is actually bullish, you can tell me right now in the chat. Okay, but my view is that the bias is bearish. Till the time the price is trading below 104.26, the bias will remain bearish, and I am looking for a target of 102.57 in this one, which is also the support. And if the price starts going up from here, then I will be expecting 103.21 to act as a next resistance now, because if you have if you remember what you have studied in the kindergarten, that whenever a support breaks, then it starts acting as a resistance. All right, let's have see what is happening in the pound. Well, the pound bias was bearish. Well, the bias could have been bearish only below 1.2775, but now the price is trading above that level and is currently trading at 1.2789, has made an intraday high of 1.2798, which is almost 1.228. Okay, so we have broken through this resistance. That means now we can be looking for the buying opportunities in this market. So what I will suggest you is that you can, of course you will not be buying right now, but you can create this Fibonacci extensions. Now this is a confirmation. Whenever there is a what do you call whenever there will be a pullback, you can look for a pullback in this one, and that can be seen as a buying opportunity close to 50% or maybe 62%. All right, but right now you cannot buy at the current levels. The next level of resistance is very far. 1.3143 is the next level of resistance. Also, this high here can be of some interest to the sellers, 1.2828, but I think that will not be a very big problem. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now the bias is bullish in the GBP USD. All right, If you have any counter view, please let me know in the chat. Okay, I am expecting the price to actually go down to these 50%, at least 50% before it makes any big move higher. I'm expecting something like this to happen here now very soon. Okay, talking about the euro, let's see what is happening in the euro. Well, euro has also broken through the resistance. It actually had broken through that yesterday, and today it has only found the support when it gave you another buying opportunity. Now price is 1.0938. The resistance which is next is 1.1000. I'm very happy that we have been able to decipher the market in the right manner, and now it is going good. So after 1.1000 is taken out, we can be looking at 1.1139. so that's amazing. I think that uptrend in the euro has finally started, and similarly the downtrend in the dollar index has started. Okay, so let's see Australian dollar on the daily, and this was bullish in our this thing. Okay, so after making this high, you are expecting a higher low to be formed and a higher high to be formed. Well, higher low will be established only when the higher high will be formed, and you see how precisely the price has okay, the high that the price has made is 0.66251, and we had a level around 1.66257. so it's like 0.6 pips away from our target or from the resistance. Now till the time the price is trading below that, this will keep acting as a resistance. Once the price trades above this, I think the stop losses of these sellers will be taken out. In that case, this will be a very good breakout. Okay, now once that breakout occurs, the next level of resistance is 0.6748. so once you take out 0.6625, you can be looking for 0.6748, which is almost 220 pips away. So be cautious here right now. Do not open any buy, but yes, okay, wait, I must clear the charts for you. Also notice that from this down move, the 50% is also very close. All right, and 62% is also very close. So we have to be a little cautious, but on the daily time frame, this market now is in an uptrend. So what you can be doing is you can be looking for a buying opportunity. Something like this is possible. Now you may get another buying opportunity because the price is already at a very good resistance. So if it pulls back from here, then you can be looking for a buying opportunity close to, I think, 0.6543 with a target of almost 200 and 250 points. Okay, 200 points actually from here. 6625 is like, sorry, 100 points. I'm sorry, my bad. Earlier I said 220 points. It's 120 points, and here it's 200 points. All right. So from here it's almost 200 points, and from here it's like 120 points. Anyways, I hope you got it. And the next is the New Zealand dollar. Well, New Zealand dollar is also a buy, very good buy. Yesterday we were hindered by this falling channel's resistance, so now we are not. And the next target, potential target here is 0.6218. Right now the price is not in a buying area because the support area is very far, so I think it will not be a good idea to buy at the current levels. But yes, the bias is bullish. 0.6218 is the resistance, and the support is around 0.6038 in this market. USD CHF, we cannot be bearish on this one until and unless the price breaks below 0.8743. Like I said yesterday, that you may be thinking about buying this market, but right now it is bearish as the US dollar is bearish, but it will become bearish or good for sell only below 0.8743. Till the time the price is not breaking that level, I think we should not be opening any sell conditions or sell trades in this one. Also, this rising channel is still intact, so let's stay away from the selling or buying this market. I mean, you can be looking for the buying opportunity as there is a hidden bullish divergence, but we have to also notice that the US dollar index is going down, so we do not want to buy US dollar anywhere in front of Swiss franc or any other pair. Okay, so we'll just consider it as a no trade for us right now. Talk about the USD CAD. The price has just broken today below this rising channel. Now this is a clear indication that the price is about to fall off or about to fall off, but this is not a clear indication of a breakdown or the change of the market structure. Now the market structure will change when the price will trade below 1.3441. So we have to be very careful here. We will open sell trade in this one only and only when the price comes for a retest of 1.3414 area. Okay, it can happen on 1 hour, it can happen on 2 hour, it can happen on 4 hour, but once the price breaks below and then comes for a retest, then we have to sell the market with the target of 1.3359 and 1.3177 in this market. So we have to be cautious about this also. On the upside, if the price starts going up from here, the horizontal level of resistance is 1.3620, and this rising channel support line will start acting as a good resistance, I think, like this. Okay, this is possible, so we have to be cautious here. All right, guys, what about the USD JPY? Well, USD JPY has given us a sell now. Why? Because this 148.92 was the crucial support which we will be looking for the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Now if the price starts going up from here, this should start acting as a very good resistance. I think we should be selling the US dollar right now, not right now, but at the retest of about 148.92 area, where we can sell this market with a target of 145.89. all right. For some reason, if the price starts going up, this should find I think sellers should find 148.92 as a good spot to sell this market, whereas the price can find support around 145.89. Keep these two levels on your charts. New Zealand versus Canadian, like I said yesterday also, that there is a possibility that the price will rise from here because New Zealand dollar was bullish against the US and the Canadian was also bearish. Anyways, so right now the price is entrapped in this parallelogram, and I think till the time the price is trading inside this, I do not want to buy or sell this market. But yes, if the price clears off this falling channel to the upside, then I think we can look for the buying opportunities. Rather than that, because both are very not very good pairs, like not very good currency, so I will just stay away from it for some time till the time it breaks out from this. I think when something like this happens, then I will be buying it here with the target of 0.8417. right now I am not willing to buy or sell this market because it is contained in this triangle, small triangle. Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin is doing very nice. We had anticipated this move and that is happening. 67,897 is where the price is trading right now. On the daily, it was a breakout, resistance, retest, and again the price is slowly converging towards the resistance of 69,237. I think all the sellers who wanted to give up on their positions, long positions here at around 69,235, they are now out of the market, and it will be confirmed only when the price makes another higher high. That means there are fresh buyers here. If it is a bull trap, I think then there will be a strong selling afterwards. If there is no so strong selling afterwards, then it means that the Bitcoin is, I think, going for the higher run. Okay, so we have to keep an eye on the Bitcoin also. But right now 69,237 is the resistance. The support is now here, 59,200. so we have to keep an eye on that also. On the 4 hour, you can witness that there is a buying at the higher levels, although somebody tried to sell off. Okay, they have unwinded their positions, but now there is a continuous buying here. 69,237 is the immediate resistance, guys. Keep an eye on that. Brent, like I said, till the time the price is trading inside this triangle, we are not going anywhere, and I'm expecting an up move higher, but till the time the price is trading below 84.62, I cannot buy this market because this is a very crucial resistance for me. Okay, and if the price breaks below, then I will be happily selling this market. But right now we are looking for higher prices, so 84.62, I want to price to go above that, then only we should be looking for the buying opportunity. So 84.62 is a very crucial level on the upside. On the downside, we have 76.66, that only in case the price breaks below this rising trend line. All right. What about the gold? Well, gold has broken all the records. 2146. If the US dollar goes down, gold goes up. This is crucial. Now 2158 is where the price is trading right now. Well, is this the all-time high? Yes, it is. All right, so where is the gold going? Nobody knows, but yes, it has made an intraday high today at around 2165. This is a huge for the gold. Well, if the gold starts coming down, then it should find support around 2146. Well, similar is the case with the Japanese index. This is the monthly. I think it should be a red candle today. Yeah, it's a big red candle for the Japanese index. Now this is a critical information here. The price had made from here. The price made a higher high, but now today the price has made a lower low than this one. That means the market structure is broken, and every rise should be now seen as a selling opportunity. So if on the 4 hour, if the price is rising, I think you should be looking for a selling opportunity. Not if not on the 4 hours, then at least on the 1 hour you should be looking it as a selling opportunity very soon. Okay, so there's a high probability that the price from here will break down like this. This is possible, guys. All right, the last is Bain. We don't have any interest in this market, but the volumes are rising with the bullish pin bar at the support. There's a possibility of the price to go back towards 30.25 and maybe even higher. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, or otherwise I will just wrap up this session. Thank you very much. All right, guys, I know, and I believe that if you are watching this, even the recorded version of this one, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours, and of course in the coming days too. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and you should look for a potential profit of more than 3 times of the risk that you're going to take. Now if you don't know what I mean, it means that you have to adjust your position in such a manner, position size in such a manner that yes, if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your entire capital or entire equity. Okay, with this note I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get connected with me, my Skype handle is on the screen. You can save it and then you can text me. You will not be able to call me, but yes, you can text me. I will be very happy to answer your queries if there are any. Thank you very much once again. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow at 17.